Hi there and welcome back to the Der Grenadier YouTube channel for another video. And today we've got our very first unboxing video. And there's a good reason for that. Because I am genuinely excited to open this package. And that's because this package is from Pocketlitter39, which is run by a good friend of mine. His name is Daan, and he is the reason that I got into reenacting. When I did, if it wasn't for him, I probably still wouldn't be reenacting. And he is the reason that I joined the group that I did, which I'm very happy with. And he is running this website now called Pocketlitter39, where he sells original stuff for reenactors. But we are going to get into that in a little bit. But first, I'm going to open the package that he sent me from that website. And I'm going to show you what I ordered, and I'm going to show you what you might be able to get from his website for your impression. So I thank you for watching, and I hope that you will enjoy this video as much as I do. Right. I will try to reverse the image, but I will read this out loud. I'm sorry that my phone inversed the image. Hey Max, first of all, thanks for your order and for the videos that you make for the hobby. The package will of course contain your order and some extras. The reproduction of the German wartime alphabet is made by Rob. Rob has a great website, robvanmeel.nl. I will link it down below in the description. With a big range of military manuals, so feel free to take a look at that. Hopefully you're satisfied with your order and happy with the extras. Keep up the good work. Pocketlitter39, Daan. Very nice. Thank you very much for that. Nice little extra stuff in there, so I'm quite excited more and more. So let's take a look at what's in here. Aha. So the first thing that I ordered myself is this Overstolt cigarette tin. I have been using a different tin for that, but it was about time that I got a proper box for my cigarettes. And it is in really nice condition. It looks even better than on the website. Ooh. So the first things that I ordered, let's do those first, is so the little tin right here. And I believe that I saw the other item right here, which is a period correct bike pump. Mine is missing. I have a post-war one that's not that good, but I saw this on his website and I knew that I needed to get one, so I ordered it immediately because I didn't want to take the risk that somebody would pick it from his website before I did. So let's get into the nice extra items. So let's see. We have a nice little comb, which is actually quite handy because I needed one that can fit in my pocket, and this is actually a really nice one, so that's great. Thank you very much for that. Some original buttons. These might be good for an undershirt or something like that, so that is always handy. One advice that I'm going to give you as a reenactor, always have as many buttons in store as you can, because when you order something and you need to replace the buttons, you don't want to be at risk that you don't have any and show up at an event with bad buttons on your new shirt or something like that. Let's see. I don't know what these are yet. Ah! These are these little tags that you can use to put stuff on a board. Also in a original box. Very nice. And this must be one of the things from Rob's website. I'm going to try to reverse the image, but as you can see, it is a nice reproduction pamphlet. Victoria Versicherung. So this is the military alphabet, but in German. And I had the suspicion that this was going to be in here, but that it is very important because Daan, he does a lot of research also on the helm of the mosquito nets that soldiers were issued in the war, and there are no proper reproductions being made at the moment. So he thought, I'm going to make them. So he is one of the first people in the world that actually makes reproduction mosquito nets, nice and large. I'm going to show you in a bit. But as you can see, very nice mesh pattern with white drawstring, and he has marked it. BH GmbH 1943 Berlin. So that's actually really great. Let me show you what this looks like on a helmet. So let's say you have your veldmuts on. The mosquito net is made to fall over your shoulders like this. And it actually is quite good camouflage, because as you might know, the Germans did not really have any type of helmet and face camouflage that they were able to issue on a large scale, but they were able to make a lot of these mosquito nets. Almost every soldier was issued one, but not that many reenactors have one for their impression, because they are not being reproduced. And the post-war Bundeswehr one and all that stuff, they are way smaller and don't always have the right color. So this is actually way better. And with a helmet on, this is always tricky with glasses. It does the same thing. And the drawstring is there to make it a little bit tighter, so you can close the bottom, otherwise mosquitoes would still get into your helmet. So like that. And I, of course, immediately let him know that I wanted to have one as well. When he started making these, and as you might expect, these are going to be offered on his website. So that's the next important part. I have his website right here in front of me, and there are 3 categories for items on his website, which is item number 1, pocket litter, stuff like well, these combs and these tins, but also the bike pump were under the category pocket litter, stuff that you can carry with you and take with you to an event to fill your pockets. Everything from pocket knives, lamps, bike pumps, apparently, cigarette tins, all types of other stuff that you can carry in your pocket is under that category. The next category is uniform parts, which is stuff like buttons, but also insignia, and not only these paper buttons, but also actual uniform buttons, the metal ones with pebbles, but also original insignia, eagles, Blitzen, and the cap trapezoids are under that category. And the last category is reproduction items, but there is nothing in there yet. But these mosquito nets will most likely be under that category at some point in the future. The thing is that he needs to find all this stuff himself, because everything in the other categories is original, but usable for reenactors. He also has helmet shells from time to time. In the beginning he had a lot of those. But if you are looking for something, check out his websites regularly, because there is a lot of stuff here in the Netherlands that people are still able to find, but he is really good at it and he finds it and he puts it on his website. So if you are looking for something, take a look and feel free to message him with questions if he has something lying around, if you would feel to do so. So that is going to be the conclusion of this video. The bike pump, very happy with that one. This will be shown in a future video where I'm going to do an update on the bike. Pocket litter that I'm going to take with me to events. Paperwork that I'm going to display in some way in the future. I'm still looking for a way to do that properly. Buttons that I'm going to use on my uniform. And nice little display items that I'm going to keep here right at home. And for the mosquito net, of course you didn't get a really good look at it, but I will do a review of this very soon, where you can take all the looks you want at this stuff and get excited to get your own. So that's going to be it for now. I'm going to put a link to Pocketlitter39 and Rob van Meel's website in the description down below. I thank you for watching and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you very soon.